so big. Gotta man up, gotta man up. Oh shit, oh shit. Welcome to episode 6 of me preparing my M Coupe for the wrap. And well, the only thing that's left to do is essentially do some light sanding, possibly apply primer to areas that might need it. It should be relatively quick and easy, but of course, you know how things go. This is probably gonna be a very long video and I'm probably not gonna finish today. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the gate over here, bring in the shoe, and get started. Let's run this to the side, get this chair out the way. Very rookie mistake. Ooh. Before I begin today's episode, I'm gonna do a minor camber correction on the front driver's side. Long story short, I basically took my car into a shop. I went in for an alignment. They ended up damaging my strut tower and also my reinforcement plate for my strut tower. So they had to replace it and fix the strut tower. In the process of replacing my reinforcement plate, they took off my strut, and obviously with camber plates, when you take off the strut, you got to realign it, or at least try to eyeball it, because once you have bolted, you can literally move the strut. So they didn't do that, and I'm going to do that now so I don't drive with a difference of -4 degrees from one side to the other. Whoa, I saved that. I did not mean to do that. I just fell, and I guess it worked out. And just like that, I just need to tighten it up and the camber should be good to go. Now, one thing about these bolts over here, they only tighten down to 15 foot-pounds of torque, so you don't really need to get them super tight. Whoa. All right, let's go ahead and get to work on this bad boy. Oh, before I get to work on this bad boy, I'm just gonna let you guys know what I'm doing. Let's bring you in. Holy shit! I was looking at my bumper. I thought my bumper cracked, but it's just a big ass mosquito. Yeah, I need to figure out how to get rid of that thing. It's so big. The mosquito's so big. Dude, gotta man up. I'm gonna man up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! I don't want to throw things. I don't want to throw things at it because I'm gonna damage the bumper. Fuck off! Fuck off! No! No, it's in the shop now. No, that was just a big ass mosquito. I killed it. Okay. I thought that was another mosquito, bro. Now to actually show you guys, let's just pretend nothing happened. So this is the passenger side, and as you can see, there are just minor things where I should probably sand like over here to smooth it out. Then there's the driver's side, which is there's stuff like this. I need to get rid of that. I also need to get rid of these little spots over here that look like acne scars. All right, so instead of using 80 grit, I shall be using 120 instead of 80 grit. And then I'm gonna step it up to 320 grit, then 600 grit, and 1000. I can already see it's causing deep scratches, so I'm gonna stop doing that and just use a 320. Okay, so I just finished using the 320 grit, 600 grit, and 1000 grit. However, there are a few spots that seem to be a little spotty, so I'm gonna hit it with primer one last time, and that should fill up all the gaps. After that, I'm gonna let it dry for a couple days. I'll resume this video again, and then yeah, it should be officially done within this specific video that you're watching. So let's go ahead and spray it, and then I will continue this probably some other day. Also, I'm very glad I got this mask. This is a lifesaver. These are the spots that I am talking about. As much as I sand through it, it is not going to flatten. I need to add primer here so it levels out the surface, and then I can sand over it and it will be smooth. So a couple of days have passed since I left this bumper, and now I'm gonna hit it with 600 grit to 1000 grit. Then we should be officially done. I just need to fix the minor crack down here, and yeah, let's go ahead and get working. Did all the sanding. There's a little few spots that need a little bit more filling. As when I run my hand through it, it feels a little bit of texture. So I'm gonna add another layer of primer in those specific areas. And then once that dries, sand it off, make sure it's entirely smooth, and then we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get spraying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with this front bumper. The only thing that's left for me to do, if I say that, it's not really done, but you get my point. I am waiting for a bumper repair Bondo thing coming in next week, so I should be doing that next video. I also have one little surprise for you guys. I got a wing. I got a mid-wing. This goes on the trunk of my car. I will show you guys how it looks on the car next episode. But yeah, I am done with this, and I'm gonna show you guys a up-close look on the bumper before I close this out. So as you can see, this is the area that has the crack. I will show you guys how it looked like before. This is how it looked like before, and this is how it looks like now. The rest of the bumper is pretty much all ready to go. There's only one thing left for me to do, which is this crack on the driver's side of the car. This requires me to essentially put bonding behind it, and then once I do that, I should fill it in, fill in the holes as well. These little holes that used to be zip ties. After that, it will be all said and done. For the next episode, I am going to be moving to either my hood or my lip and wing, depending on Carmen, my friend who's helping me with this whole thing. Depending on when he's free, it'll determine what I decide to do next. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Deuces. That was kind of fucking weird. I'm gonna do that again. So like, comment, god fucking damn it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.